This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the song's components so you can change the background music cleanly. Load the highest quality source you have. Once loaded, run a stem extraction, or use a DAW with spectral separation and export at least 4 stems: vocals, drums, bass, and instruments. Make sure to label each stem clearly and keep consistent sample rates. You're doing this so later replacements align perfectly in timing and tonality, which prevents artifacts and phase issues when you swap or rebuild the backing track. Once you have isolated stems, import the new backing material or build it with MIDI instruments in the same tempo and key. You'll time align and warping to match the original vocal phrasing. Use transient markers and phase check utilities to avoid comb filtering. Make arrangement changes where elements clash, automate cuts, and add short crossfades. Also carve acoustic space for vocals with EQ and sidechain where necessary, because preserving clarity is the reason you swap the background in the first place. You finish by balancing and mastering the combined stems so the new backing sits naturally with the original vocals. Set relative levels, carve competing frequencies with subtractive EQ, and add reverb or delay to glue ambience. Then aim for your target loudness, like -14 LUFS for streaming. Once mastered, do a /B comparisons with the original track and export at matching sample rate and bit depth. If you hear wobble or hollowness, try phase flipping, resampling, or narrowband EQ to fix masking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.